Pakistan is all set to square off against New Zealand in the upcoming home series, starting on April 14. The side will be led by Babar Azam with the return of some of the big names to the national team. Left-handed all-arounder Imad Wasim and skipper Babar Azam were seen facing off each other in the nets at Gaddafi Stadium during the training camp on Friday. The environment between both the players looked rather decent. Previously, there have been speculations about the tense relations between the players in the equation, majorly because Imad was robbed of his captaincy of Karachi Kings and the honors were handed over to Babar Azam at the wishes of the franchise management. Later, Imad Wasim was also dropped from the national side due to below-par performance, and Mohammad Nawaz was brought into his place. Meanwhile, certain statements came off from Imad's side, which caught fire, and henceforth, different controversies were born, which further aggravated the strained relations between the players.